How do you save an app to your favorites on the iPad? Let me explain how it works. If you are new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one. Okay, so the iPad can definitely allow you to organize your apps, but there isn't any way to like heart an app or click the star icon on an application to make it your favorite, right? It doesn't work that way, and we have to like set up the favorites folder on our own. So whenever you are browsing the apps on the home screen, you can add them from the app library, but if you hover one over another, of course, a folder will be created, and I personally like to just name it my favorites, right? And this is going to be the folder which I'm going to make easily accessible. For instance, I can put it in my dock and at the bottom, which means that I can access it from any app basically, or I can as well just put the apps in that favorites folder on the home screen. So whenever I open up the iPad, I can see those apps first thing and I can just tap them, right? Of course, you could say that your favorite apps are simply those which are part of the dock below, so you can always just click them, and these are as well your favorites, so you can also add them to the bottom. But as I say, the point is that we don't have like any official way to make the apps favorites. You have to set it up manually and make sure that the apps that you like are quickly accessible, either through the dock or the home screens or through the widgets, right? So more ways to do that, but that is generally just the blueprint of how it works. So I hope I can explain it well. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.